This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your progress and removing variables. Back up the saves folder so you can revert changes. This prevents data loss. Once done, temporarily move the mods folder to the desktop to isolate custom content. Many crashes come from outdated mods. Next, repair the game using Origin or the EA app. That refreshes corrupted files. Make sure to restart your computer after repair so file locks clear. These steps eliminate the majority of simple causes fast. You now dig into configuration and isolation tests. Inspect resource. CFG and ensure mods are not double-zipped and are in the correct folder structure. Incorrect packaging breaks load routines. Then reproduce the issue in a fresh save or empty lot to see if the problem is save-specific. If crashes persist, generate or open crash logs and match file names to custom content. Outdated packages should be updated or removed. This method narrows the fault from broad to specific, letting you act precisely. You finish by carefully restoring things and cleaning residual files. Reintroduce mods in small batches and play for several minutes after each batch to catch regressions quickly. This pinpoints the offending mod. If odd behavior continues, delete local thumb cache. Package and other caches to force fresh generation. This fixes many visual and loading errors. If nothing works, collect crash logs and the steps to reproduce, then submit a report. That helps developers and can lead to a patch. One troubleshooting tip: if a mod causes corruption, stop reusing that save until it's removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.